Okay, so there's this bracket. It goes from here to here. The bracket from here to the other side right there, I'm taking that off. This here hose comes here. Take this off. I already pulled this back. And got to take this off. Okay, so this hose right here is a vacuum, and it goes to the back of the carburetor back here. I'm going to cut it here, and over here, this other hose right there is the oil injection. Okay, so I have finished the Yamaha Chappy, putting the engine back together. This thing is pretty damn cool. It turned out pretty good. Learned some stuff along the way. She's got her new top in. There's no more leaking. I've rebuilt the carburetor. That looks good. She's got, I mean, I'm really impressed with how she turned out. The lights and everything, they had a little rectifier there. It turned out. We'll see if she's gonna start for us. First kick. That ought to get you going. Sounds good. So I've hooked the oil injection back up. She's got her a new battery. These are really fun. I mean, they really are. She's got her little horn. She works. Headlights working. Come over here. We got our turn signal, and the turn signal ball work. I'm really proud of how she turned out, man. I mean, I had one of these when I was 16 years old. This one here has, you see it, 2,357 miles. I pulled her apart. I had a new piston and rings, but I didn't need it. I just honed the cylinder, put a new base gasket, new head gasket, did new battery. It's got a new back tire, pulled the wheels out, greased everything, replaced all the bulbs, replaced the rectifier. Let's see. I've got this case here. It has all the stuff. And my next video, I'm going to show you my, here's my little workbench here. I'm going to show you my Honda CT 110 that I finished also.